Alright guys, what's up? Just wanted to take a second and show you how the Beta comes in the crate and what all comes with it. This is the 300 Race Edition. It comes just how you see it, except with the handlebars off. So you just bolt those on. Wheels already on it in the crate, and it's just zip tied and strapped down. So as for what comes with it, they give you a front number plate and a headlight. These springs, skid plate, frame guards. Here is your bar pad. You get this, this, here are your hand guards and hand guard mounts. They actually look pretty good, clean. Zip ties, warning labels, rim stickers, Beta, my 2020 2T manual video, your toolkit, which includes Phillips screwdriver, a few different sockets, bits, got some pliers, you get a 6mm Allen, which is always super handy, a 10 and a 13 wrench, which is great if you're a European guy. That's really handy. A couple more Allens. What is this, a 5 and a 4? Yeah, 5 and a 4. There's an 8mm socket. So actually some useful stuff you're getting in that toolkit. So yeah, guys, that's everything that comes with the Beta 300 Race Edition. Really sweet looking machine. And I have not got to ride a 2020 yet, so I hope to soon. Thanks for watching. Okay, and I almost forgot, you get the battery, a liter of 800 2T, and a liter of 1040 as well.